Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do Leetcode daily challenge. Delete node in a linked list. So it is medium level question. So let us first read this question, then we'll go over with the constraints and then about this question that how we are required to do this question. So let us read this question. There is a singly linked list head and we want to delete a node in it. Okay, so linked list is given and then we are required to delete that node. You are given the node to be deleted. You will not given access to the first node of the head. So basically the node which is given as input to us, that is the one which will be given to us here as the input, means node to be deleted. So that is what they are saying. And the this particular thing, this thing won't be given to us. That would be there behind the scene thing. So that won't be given to us and is given to us as parameter in our function. That's the thing. All the value of the linked list are unique and it is guaranteed that the given node is not the last node in the linked list. So basically two things they are saying to us. The first thing is that head of the linked list won't be given to us. And the second thing is that all the values of the linked list are unique. So there won't be any duplicate, so we can go ahead with the same. And then we are saying that delete the given node. Note that by deleting the node, we do not mean removing it from the memory. We mean the value of the given node should not exist in the linked list and the number of nodes in the linked list should decrease by 1. All the values before node should be in same order and all the values after node should be in same order. So these things we need to keep in mind. So then next they are saying that for custom testing for the input, you should provide the entire linked list head and the node to be given node. Node should not be last node of the list and should not access the actual node in the list. And we will build the linked list and pass the node to your function and output will be the entire list after calling your function. So basically, all these things we are required to keep in mind. Then we will be going ahead with the same things for the writing of the code. So as per the condition which they are given to us means all these conditions that the value of the given node should not exist in linked list, right? Means note that deleting the node we do not mean removing it from the memory. So that value should exist in the memory, but the only thing is that it should not exist in that linked list which is given to us. And the number of nodes in the linked list should decrease by 1. That also we need to keep in mind. So these two things we are required to handle in our code, and then all the values before nodes and all the values after nodes, they should be in same order. So the way linked list is given to us, it should be in that manner only. Only thing is that node should be deleted from this linked list, but not from the memory. So that's the thing they need. And then let us see what the constraints. So constraints are also in that manner that we can go ahead with n or n square solution. But as it is a linked list, so we will be able to go ahead with the n solution as well here. And the value of nodes, although this doesn't matter much to us, the value of each node is unique that was in the question. A node to be deleted in the list and is not a tail node. So this is also one of the important thing according to which we can code. So now as per these conditions, let us go ahead with the explanation part. So thing is that we are given with the node to be deleted, right? And the whole linked list without that input node, we are required to give as output. So we are given with this, right? So there were some conditions given that it should remain in the memory and that particular should be removed from this particular linked list and total number of nodes should be same. And even that node is not the last node, right? That was also given to us. So according to that manner, we can go ahead with this thing that what we can do is, see, let me explain you the algorithm by writing that algorithm here only. The first thing which we can do is we can take a dummy node. So that would be something less node star next node that we will be taking here. And then here we will be basically storing whatever next is being there for at this particular node which is required to be deleted, right? So we will be storing whatever is being there in the next part that we will be storing here. Now comes the part about the value and the connection of with the next node, right? So for that part, second thing which we will be doing is we will be storing whatever value we are having in this next to our present node. So we will be doing node node val, basically whatever node is here, that we will be equating with the next node val which will be there. And the second thing is that node next, that is also required to be changed, right? Because now we are in this step. Now that value has been changed. So our third thing would be about keeping the number of linked list same as the previous one, just deleting it by one. So in that context, we will be doing this thing, that node next equals to next node next value. So by this manner, we will be able to decrease that one node which is there. And at the end, we will be simply deleting at this particular next node which is being there. So this is the thing which we will be doing. So because of these things only, are those four conditions which was given to us, it will be satisfied. So now comes the part that how we are required to code this particular. Oh, alright. Let us code this. Hmm. So here you can see the return type is void, so they don't want us to return anything. So it is a standalone function only that will help us to delete the node. So here first we are taking the next node, and what value it would be having? That would be having the value which is being there in the next node of the node which is about to be deleted. Now here first thing we will be doing is we will be directly going ahead with node value. So we will be assigning the value which is being there in our next node, and then changing of the pointers, that is also required. So we will be doing that thing here. So here we will be whatever was there as the next, that we will be doing. And at the end, we will be deleting our next node. So let us run this question if it works or not. Right, works here. Let us submit the same. I tried this question a lot of times with different approaches. And this was the most shortest and optimized one. And yeah, now comes the part for the time complexity. So basically time complexity for the same is order of n, and the space complexity is basically order of 1 only. If you will be thinking about this one, then we are at the end deleting it. So overall time space complexity becomes order of 1 only. So yeah, this was all for this particular question. If you have any doubt, you would comment that down. And yeah, if you like the explanation, please do like and subscribe to my channel. So this was all. Thank you.